Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Amotekun was created. An organization born out of necessity. The Southwest governors came out with one voice en masse, and Amotekun was bettered. As we speak, Ebubeagu is going through turbulent times, and it looks like it's still the Southeasterners that will ground Ebubeagu, if judging by the trends that is going on, if proper care is not taken. Right now, Ebonyi is going through a lot. Ebubeagu seems to be the primary target right now. Before we go into the news proper, like it, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Very quickly, let's head to the news. The Federal High Court Abuja has been asked to nullify and invalidate the laws establishing Ebubeagu Security Agency of the Ebonyi State, as well as the Cybercrime Prohibition Law 2021 enacted by the State House of Assembly. This is contained in two separate suits filed by aggrieved indigenes of the state, questioning the legality and constitutional powers of the Ebonyi state government to enact such laws. In an originating summons marked FHC/ABJ/CS/114/2022, the Incorporated Trustees of Patriotic Youth Organization and Engineer Solomon have challenged the constitutional competence of the state government to establish the Ebubeagu Security Agency, as such powers are exclusively rested with the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the federal government of Nigeria. Listed as defendant in the suit are the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the National Security Advisor, the Attorney General of the Federation, the Inspector General of the Police, the Department of State Security Services, the Attorney General of Ebonyi State, and the House of Assembly of Ebonyi State. The plaintiffs, in the originating summons dated January 31st, 2022, and filed by their counsel, Okoro Nkemakolam, have urged the court to declare that the creation and or establishment of the Ebubeagu Security Agency in the states by the state government is illegal, unconstitutional, invalid, and traverse the executive powers of the state in view of the relevant statutory provision. Specifically, Nkemakolam urged the court to declare that by the combined provisions of sections 4, subsection 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, items 2, 38, 45, and 68 of the second schedule part 1 of the 1999 Constitution, the Ebonyi State House of Assembly has no legislative competence and constitutional powers whatsoever to legislate or make any law creating Ebubeagu Security Agency in the state. That by the above provisions of the law, the court should further declare that any issue pertaining to arms and ammunition, army, police, and other government security services established by law are all within the exclusive legislative competence of the National Assembly. Besides, he urged that the arming of Ebubeagu Security Agency in Ebonyi State with sophisticated instruments and any other firearms by the state government without the requisite approvals from the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Inspector General of Police is against the provisions of the law, particularly Section 3 and 4 of the Firearms Act, and also contravenes the provision of Item 2 of the second schedule part 1 of the Constitution. Accordingly, the plaintiffs are further seeking an order of injunction restraining the Ebonyi state government from sponsoring, using, creating, and further establishing by law any other government security outfit in the state. An order restraining the Inspector General of Police and the Department of State Security Services from supervising, coordinating, funding, and providing any form of logistics or tactical support to the Ebubeagu Security Agency in the state in contravention of relevant laws. They equally ask for an order of court directing the Inspector General of Police and the DSS to arrest and prosecute any member of the security outfit who is found operating as such after the judgment of the court. In the second suit marked FHC/ABJ/CS/112/2022, the plaintiff, Dr. Lazarus Ude Eze, is urging the court to declare the entire cybercrimes, that's Prohibition Law 2021, enacted by the Ebonyi State House of Assembly on the grounds that it is inconsistent with the provisions of the Cybercrimes Prohibition Prevention Act and so on, enacted by the National Assembly and the provisions of the Constitution, that the court should make an order nullifying, invalidating, squashing, and setting aside all steps, taking decisions, resolutions, publications of names of any of the plaintiffs or the names of indigenes of the Ebonyi state on the government's watch list, and prosecution, conviction, sentencing, and incarceration of any of the plaintiffs or any of the state indigene in pursuant to the Cybercrimes Prohibition Law 2021 enacted into law by the state government. My God, this one is the Southeast trying to spoil everything that looks like what they don't understand in the same Southeast. My prayer is that in the bid of trying to stop Ebubeagu from functional, let them also give loopholes to also go into Amotekun and see how they can also, bring it down, because it's still the same process that was applied in Amotekun, where it was still a state, legislative arm that didn't need for brought it into law. Now they are functional. But right now, the Ebonyi people are fighting off. Ebubeagu have been in the news for a while now, since 2022 began. They've been in the news on the spotlight for wrong reasons, actually. And the indigenes are of the opinion that just maybe Ebubeagu was created for the wrong reasons. I do not know, but we're going to feel the pulse of Nigerians very quickly to find out what is their take. This one here is saying this guy is bringing down our people on daily basis under the uniform and umbrella of Ebubeagu. This one here is saying it's long overdue. I thought you all were sleeping, allowing that power hunger of a man to be playing with Ebonyi people's life. He's joining his master in dictatorship. The solution is to bring them to their knees in the court of law. This one here is saying Ebubeagu Security Network is ESN. Eastern Security Network is ESN. One is politically motivated, and the other is agitation for freedom. The Constitution of the Nigerian politics. I take that again. The Constitution of the Nigerian politicians are evil. Support freedom. This one here says free NCN now. Please, what is NCN? I have no idea. This one here is saying our idea of state police is very confusing. I expect that this security outfit can be dissolved into state police. Now see the impunity which the governors use to intimidate his people. This one's are deep talks, I'd say. All right, guys are not talking. Let's meet in that.